सुमना मजूमदार, आपको बहुत बहुत बधाई. You wanted to do
Thank
a PhD in mathematics from the US, and so far you have number of good selections with full scholarship.
yeah. Thank you so much.
कहाँ कहाँ से अभी तक आपके सुमना ऑफर्स आए हुए हैं?
Yeah, I got offers from University of Arkansas and from University of Indianapolis, IU. And so I had to fight that thing and convince them actually to be in this field entirely. So
Okay.
I enrolled for BSc from Bhawanipur Education.
Mm-hmm.
The video is stuck or something.
I think it is okay.
Yeah. So, and then I enrolled for like MSc from Calcutta University.
Mm-hmm.
And
Nice.
yeah, and then I was like interested in research. So I was doing a bit of research with like professor out there from MSc who was my guide for dissertation. And it
Okay.
was a amazing thing. So yeah, and then I thought that I should go ahead with it, PhD.
तो बीएससी आपने कब खत्म किया और क्या आपके ग्रेड्स या परसेंटेज थे?
Uh, I completed my BSc in 2019. Sorry,
Mm-hmm.
2019, and
2019.
then it was like I have barely achieved like 50%. It's actually 50% exactly.
क्यों आपका ये
And
कितना कम परसेंटेज थी बीएससी में, जस्ट 50%?
the main reason was I was a bit demotivated with certain stuffs because
ओके.
I have like enrolled for ISI, okay, and I almost have cracked that thing.
अच्छा.
I put that in the interview, so I was a little bit like light-hearted about the stuffs and all, and I loved pure mathematics. So I was
Mm-hmm.
doing my real analysis. I was doing it great. My teachers were happy. The professors were happy. Like
Mm-hmm.
everything was done, but I really didn't want to do applied for a long time. So I have not given
Mm-hmm.
attention. And Calcutta University is one of the toughest board out there,
Yes, yes, yes.
honestly.
Very
Hard.
difficult to
Yeah,
get
getting a
good.
60% out there, it's huge stuff. So,
Yes.
and there are tactics, there is something you need to take tuitions and all in order to
अच्छा.
get the way and all. So I wanted to study alone. I
Mm-hmm.
Because that was instilled from the way the ISI people used to study. So I
Mm-hmm.
have a different pattern. So I have like started the journey on a wrong foot.
Okay.
Honestly, that's the
Yes.
first thing. I
Mm-hmm.
was reading, I was studying like anything, but yeah, there are certain hooks and nooks that you must understand in order to give the exams and all. So I
Yes.
didn't pay attention to that.
फिर मास्टर्स में आपने बहुत अच्छा किया. क्या परसेंटेज रही आपकी मास्टर्स में
Yeah, it's
ग्रेड?
7.64 CGPA again from Calcutta University, so that is considered huge.
ओह, दैट्स
Yeah,
बिग. आई रिमेंबर. सीयू
yeah,
अच्छे से ग्रेड्स किसी को नहीं देता.
yeah, that's true.
क्या आपका रिसर्च रहा, थीसिस रहा मास्टर्स में?
Uh, Actually, I did a dissertation of F. Azarpana's paper, which is like a graph on like C plus on CX, a graph
ओके.
on CX. So I did that, and I continued the research on a semi-ring C plus X. So with my professor itself, after I completed my MSc and all, so I
मास्टर्स
did that. Yeah.
2021 में आपने कंप्लीट किया मास्टर्स. उसके बाद से आप क्या कर रही हैं?
I
रिसर्च
was teaching, yeah, I was teaching and I was doing the research.
पैरेलली.
Uh,
सो यू आर
yeah,
डूइंग बोथ
parallelly.
थिंग्स. क्या आप
Yeah,
टीच
yeah.
करती हैं?
I teach 11th, 12th people
ओके.
and even graduation BSc students. I used to do that. And
कहाँ पे करती हैं आप ये टीचिंग?
I do that at my home itself.
अच्छा, सो यू ट्यूटर, मतलब जो आपका
Self-tutoring. Yeah.
आपने जो मेहनत की है, अपने आप को सचोया है, और उस हिसाब से आप मेंटर करती हैं बेसिकली.
Yeah, I do that. Yeah.
इट्स अ ग्रेट थिंग.
Thank
आई
you.
मीन, मतलब जब ये टीचिंग करती हैं आप सुमना, तो एक ऐसी आपको क्वालिटी जनरेट करता है, स्पेशली कि पेशेंस. और आई
Yeah,
थिंक,
yeah.
और
Huge.
पेशेंस इज द
Yeah.
वर्चू. आप कहीं भी चले जाइए, यू हैव टू हैव अ ग्रेट पेशेंस. तो आई थिंक यू आर
Yeah,
ब्लेस्ड विथ
exactly.
दिस.
Yeah, I'll take that thing. You need a lot of patience,
Like
and
a
yeah,
lot
and
of
then it's a beautiful journey actually to get to know a person and actually
yes,
helping that person throughout with the subject and all.
वो खुद
It's
को
really
सेटिस्फेक्शन
amazing.
मिलता है.
Yeah, yeah,
हाँ,
absolutely. It's amazing.
I completely agree. बीइंग फीमेल देखो, एक तो बहुत लड़कियां कम होती हैं मैथमेटिक्स में, ऑब्वियस
Yeah.
क्वेश्चन रहता है ये. आपका कैसे रुझान रहा मैथमेटिक्स की तरफ?
For me, the journey was really smooth because I got really supportive professors, even the professors who has recommended me. Like I said, ask for the recommendation like a day before, and they have done that night itself. So
यस
they were
यस.
really amazing. In my BSc thing, in my MSc thing, I really was blessed with amazing professors and they were really helpful. And till today, they remember. It's been years. I left the college and all.
ओके ओके.
Still, they do have that thing.
यस यस. which is
So I
just
really respect them and I'm
yes,
really
yes.
blessed in that sense.
Very true. Yes, yes. Nice, very nice. I remember जब आपसे जुड़े थे तो बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस थे आपके अंदर, स्पेशली क्योंकि आपका बीएससी में कम परसेंटेज थी. कैन यू हियर मी सुमना? हाँ जी, वेलकम बैक. क्या हो गया था?
I don't know. It was like showing connecting, and I had to leave the meeting and join again.
yes. तो क्या चर्चा हो रही थी, मैं भूल गया.
Like the whatever I was doing,
यू आर
like
डूइंग, या.
like
सो टॉकिंग अबाउट कैसे एक टीचर एक ऐसी एबिलिटी आपके अंदर डाल देता है, आई थिंक स्पेशली लड़कियों में मैं कहूंगा कि वो पेशेंस इतना ज्यादा हो जाता है दैट व्हाट यू रिक्वायर इवेंचुअली. जैसे आप पीएचडी करोगे सुमना, तो ये स्किल बहुत आपको हेल्पफुल रहेगी ट्रबल शूट
yeah.
करने में और चीजों को आगे बढ़ाने में. और इवनली आई वुड से जब आप जॉब के लिए कहीं इंटरव्यू दोगे तो पेशेंस वाली जो वर्च्यू वाली बात, इट प्लेज वेरी क्रूशियल रोल, आई वुड से.
Absolutely.
यस, वेरी नाइस. तो कैसे आपने डिसाइड किया कि आई वांट टू एक्सप्लोर पीएचडी एंड आई वांट टू जॉइन डॉक्टर परमार्स लेट्स टू जीआरई मेंटरशिप एफर्ट्स?
Apart from being blessed with the professors out there, I was blessed with some amazing friends. So I got the recommendation of yours from Yukta actually.
अच्छा, युक्ता से.
She was in US right now in Connecticut.
हाउ डू यू नो
So,
युक्ता?
oh, she was like I met her in during my BSc program,
अच्छा.
and she has been like what a best friend like
ओके
that
ओके.
from there. So yeah,
लास्ट ईयर युक्ता का सिलेक्शन हुआ, आई थिंक.
like,
करंटली
yeah,
शी इज डूइंग यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ कनेक्टिकट पीएचडी.
yeah, yeah.
अच्छा, तो उनसे आपकी, लेकिन बीएससी के बाद अचानक से कैसे मुलाकात हुई आपकी?
Oh, we were in contact from then.
तो अच्छा.
So yeah, like we used to drop each other's problem on each other. So yeah, something like that.
तो अच्छा, तो आपको उन्होंने बताया कि मेरे को मेरा सिलेक्शन हो गया एंड एंड
Yeah,
एंड
yeah. I knew this thing from before only. She asked me to come with her, but that year I couldn't apply because my
अच्छा
brother wasn't here. He was in Mumbai.
अच्छा
Uh, he was doing a job in Capgemini, so he got like transferred in Kolkata right now.
अच्छा.
So that my parents are like there. Somebody's there for my parents. They are also
हम्म.
growing with like
हाँ.
tensed. So I didn't apply for the program
हम्म.
before.
तो आपके दिमाग
Yeah,
में कुछ दूसरा क्वेश्चन फिर था ही नहीं कि युक्ता वाज सिलेक्टेड, देयर वाज नो
yeah,
एनी अदर थॉट एंड ऑल दैट. मुझे याद है कि आपकी शायद अंकल ने मुझसे बात की थी, ऐसा कुछ था क्या?
yeah. My
हाँ.
uncle up to you.
Yeah, he talked to me and he has a lot of questions.
Yeah, he's a professor himself, so he must.
हाँ, I remember that. क्योंकि मुझे लगता है आपको भी डाउट्स थे कि 50% है, सेकंड डिवीजन है, पता नहीं क्या होगा, राइट?
Yeah, absolutely. Even though my MSc was like amazing, but I was really concerned for my BSc.
यस 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 यस. नाउ यू नो दैट परसेंटेज बहुत मैटर नहीं करती, प्रेजेंटेशन इज द इम्पोर्टेंट. सबकी लाइफ देखो सुमना एक जैसी नहीं होती, राइट? वी हैव ऑल आवर बिट्स एंड पीसेस, स्ट्रगल रहते हैं और कुछ कुछ शॉर्टकमिंग
Yeah.
रहती है, और ग्रेजुएट एडमिशन कमेटी सब चीज के सबके एंगल्स को देख के डिसीजन लेती है. और कहाँ से आपके सिलेक्शंस हुए, क्या स्कॉलरशिप है, जरा बताएंगे आप?
Yeah, I got selected from University of Arkansas. That was my first offer,
ओके.
and they offered me a stipend of like $2,155 for
ओके.
9 months,
ओके.
and a coverage for
21,000 आई थिंक.
2,100 per month. I'm saying nine for the
ओके.
9 months.
ऑलराइट.
They have disintegrated in that sense
ऑलराइट.
for 9 months, and with full health coverage and all. And
Education level.
and for IUPUI, I had to give the interview. So after the interview went amazing, honestly.
जरा
It
बताइए.
was, yeah. So I like they took the interview for 1.5 hours, and they just asked me mathematics. We were like,
अच्छा.
there were two professors, Olguta Buse
हम्म.
and just a second,
It's
Olguta
okay.
Buse and yeah. Sorry.
No, it's
So
fine.
Olguta Views and Roenda, your Professor Roenda, and they were really amazing. Like we were like discussing mathematics
हम्म.
and stuff. So they asked me like how many 10 or 12 questions. It was like such a fun session that we were like he was asking, she was asking, and so we that a mood was created, honestly. And
I
I
understand.
on at first I was a bit nervous, but the way the conversation went, I got eased up, and hopefully, I don't know, the stars were at my favor that
Yes,
day.
true.
I have answered all the questions they have asked, and it was not from a particular section. They have covered all of mathematics, what I have
Wow.
studied in an MSc, and
Yes.
both of them were very impressed. So I got the idea that I'll get into it, and
Oh,
so
yes,
yeah,
you did.
that
और,
is it.
और कंसास में there was no interview.
Sorry?
कंसास में कोई इंटरव्यू था?
No. Since there was no interview, I just got the offer letter.
हाँ. तो जिस पहला ऑफर आता है दैट इज लाइक बहुत इमोशंस होती हैं, राइट?
Because
बताइए उस इमोशंस के बारे में और आपने कैसे उन इमोशंस को डील किया, एंड हाउ योर पेरेंट्स रिएक्टेड टू दैट?
just a second.
ओके.
So honestly, like when I got the first offer, I knew by then now I have to go. So it's the nail in the coffin.
क्या टाइमिंग थी इंडिया में?
It's like 2 o'clock at night. So I'm a night owl. 2 or 3
ओके.
o'clock at the night. So I literally woke my parents up. I was like, "Yeah, see, I got the offer." So they were really happy because they really want me to do whatever I want to do. So there was like this happy emotions were also there. So sadness was also there, but came after the wave of happiness.
यस, ट्रू.
So yeah, at the end of the day, I was relieved that at least I'm doing this somehow.
ट्रू. यस, यस.
Yeah.
जो आप
So
करना चाह
that
रहे थे, अब वो प्लेटफॉर्म बेसिकली रेडी है कि आपको अपॉर्चुनिटी है, जाइए बढ़िया से करिए. दिस इज, एंड आई वुड से, या तो ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है कि आपको, आप कंप्लेन नहीं कर सकते कि सर एक चांस नहीं मिला मुझे, राइट? बहुत लोगों को चांस नहीं मिलता है, वो कंप्लेन करते हैं, बट आपके साथ ये है कि यू आर गिवन अ चांस फॉर एक्सप्लोर द वर्ल्ड, एंड बहुत अच्छे से मेहनत करिए, चीजों को अचीव करिए. दैट व्हाट इट मींस. इन दोनों जगह आईयूपीयू और कंसास, कहाँ ज्यादा आपका रुझान है?
obviously IUPUI,
आईयूपीयू.
because to be honest, I am feeling that I have earned it on the first place giving the interview. So the feeling is different.
वो आपका कनेक्शन बन गया वहां पे.
Absolutely.
बहुत बहुत बधाई आपको, स्पेशली जिस हिसाब से जर्नी होती है ना, एक्चुअली जुड़ते हैं, फिर एप्लीकेशन प्रोसेस, फिर वेट टाइम, उन सबको मिला कि जो मेहनत का जो फल मिलता है, घोट घोट के, तो उसमें मजा ही कुछ और आता है.
Yeah.
एक और
And
क्वेश्चन.
one thing,
यस.
like IUPUI has offered me another scholarship too. That is a Cohen empowerment thing, Cohen scholarship
ओके.
of $3,500.
वाओ.
Like
Yes.
one time though, but yeah.
Yeah. So
That,
that will help you, I think, in smooth transition.
yeah.
You can write that in your CV profile, and when you will apply for various jobs आफ्टरवर्ड्स। उसके लिए
yeah.
बहुत बहुत बधाई आपको। यस। एक और क्वेश्चन रहता है एक्सपेंसेस को लेके। आप जब
Yeah.
जुड़ते हैं हमारे साथ, राइट, सिलेक्शन होता है, कि कितना एक्सपेंस रहा आपका अभी तक?
It's almost 2.1 lakh.
2 लाख के आसपास रहता है आपका एक्सपेंस,
Yes. Yeah.
हमारी मेंटरशिप फी प्लस
Yeah.
एप्लीकेशन डालते हैं।
Yeah.
लेट्स टॉक अबाउट लिटिल बिट द मेंटरशिप एफर्ट्स। जब आप जुड़ते हैं, कौन से एग्जाम दिए, कैसे तैयारी की, क्या आपका रहा उसमें आउटपुट, रिजल्ट, कैसे हमने आपको मेंटर किया, सीवी, यूनिवर्सिटी लिस्टिंग, एसओपी, अदर एसेस, एलओआर, थोड़ा चर्चा करिए उसके बारे में।
Yeah, absolutely. So when we start connecting with you, when I started connecting with you, you asked my personal information, whatever I did, MSc,
क्वेश्चन यार।
BSc, and everything. Yeah, the questionnaire, what I want, and there was it was really interesting. I got to explore myself a little bit more through the question. It was
Many
really
things you did
interesting.
not realize in that way.
Yeah, we don't realize that once we are like, thrown the question at.
Yes, yes.
So that was interesting. And then I was given my CV to be completed.
Mhm.
So I did that. And then the time came for the TOEFL registration. So I did the registration.
Mhm.
And definitely have helped me with the materials to study, the videos,
Yes. Yeah.
the the suggestions too, like to give the exams online every day
Mhm.
to practice.
Yes.
Though honestly, I didn't get the time because my schedule was very tight at that moment. I was teaching. I
Mhm.
was like almost like what I was outside like 15 to 16 hours. I couldn't give
Oh
a
yeah,
time to
yeah.
the
Even
student.
sometimes I have to text you. Where are you? What you doing? We
Yeah,
have to
yeah.
complete
Yeah.
applications.
Yeah, I know. And I was really because I had to do that thing. A lot of other people's career was in my hand too.
Oh yes.
So that was responsibility. So I had to do that.
Mm-hmm.
But honestly, if I say I have studied for a week and I have given my TOEFL,
Mm-hmm.
not more than that for sure. Actually, less.
Yes.
So I have scored 95
It's
in
pretty good
TOEFL.
score. Okay.
Yeah. And I had some issues with the listening part because I couldn't listen one or two paras because I had disturbances both side. Both were like speaking
Mm-hmm.
while I was listening. So because of the disturbance, I scored a little less in listening. Else, the score would have been higher, definitely.
That's okay, I think.
So what happened
95
happened. Yeah.
is very good score.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that happened, and then the application started. You have given me my probable like universities, and I started filling the universities.
Yes.
Almost did that on the deadline. You have sent me the SOPs. Definitely, I really love the SOPs. Honestly, the way it's been written, it looks like I have written that for myself because it was very personalized.
Mhm.
So that was really amazing and interesting. Thank you so much for that.
So देखो क्या
So yeah.
होता है सुमना, presentation is very important. That's the only way they wanna know about you, right? And
Yeah.
scientific तरीके से चीजों को बताना जरूरी है कि who Sumna is, why she deserves this chance to explore the world.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
that is very important part. Yes, please continue.
Yeah. And then like my last application was on 31st, sorry, 1st March. That was my first last
Last
application. I did
week.
almost I did all. And then the scary thing started when you have to wait. Everything is done and you have to wait for it.
Yes, yes.
So yeah, so the first offer came like mid-March or something, and where I got the Arkansas. And before that, I have given the interview for IUPUI, and the result got published after like a week. I given it on a Wednesday, and I got in the next Wednesday, something like that.
Yes,
So
yes.
yeah, it was scary. The journey was scary and beautiful and amazing. All the kind of emotions were involved, honestly.
True. Did you tell Yukta that you have had few?
Yeah, she was there, like from the time being. She's there. We talk almost
तो
every
उसने
night.
बोला होगा ये तो होना ही था, आज नहीं करना।
Yeah, yeah. So yeah.
वेरी नाइस। एक और क्वेश्चन जनरली मैं पूछता हूँ, यदि स्टूडेंट फीमेल्स रहती हैं, about the challenges you face जब से आपने समझ बनाई और आज इस मोड सिलेक्शन तक, क्या कुछ challenges कुछ आप डिस्कस करना शेयर करना चाहते हैं, ऐसा कुछ?
uh, Again, to be honest, I am really blessed. I am really blessed, and I was given the proper attention, the proper support that I needed from my family, from my professors. I have never faced discrimination, honestly, to
Very
be as
nice.
such, like being a girl or a woman. I have never faced that. And really blessed with the amazing people around. So I really
Really
have not faced that yet.
excellent. Yes, yes. Very nice.
And I believe in one thing, like if you're like kind and if you have patience, I guess the world around you automatically gets better. So
Mhm.
yeah,
Very
it's
nice.
about that thing also. It's
Good.
about you also, the way
Yeah.
you behave, the way you approach, definitely.
Very nice. You're blessed with this, and keep on doing in the same way. Things probably you do in a beautiful way. बहुत सारी स्टूडेंट आप देखिए इस वीडियो को देखेंगे, राइट? क्या सब आप मैसेज देना चाहते हैं?
It's like keep going, have the trust in yourself, and definitely about you, uh, you're there to help in
Yes.
each and every step. So yeah, so thank you for that, honestly, apart from everything. And yes, like if you are like confident enough that you can do it, achieve it, you can. Not maybe not at this point, maybe 2 days later, maybe a week later, or a year later, but you're gonna do it. And definitely you have that thing in yourself once you believe in yourself. So belief is important.
Very important thing you said,
Yeah.
that believing that you can do with a positive mindset, everything is achievable.
It is. Everything
Yes.
is achievable somehow or the other.
Yes, Sumna. Soon we will discuss, just say IUP, you are going to accept one offer. I-20 will follow up, then we're going to help you with.
I actually got the I-22. The I-20
Okay.
is ready.
Yes, so
Yeah.
ready. So now we can help go, we will go
For the
ahead with
visa.
the visa process in DS-160 appointment, then very simple way, some mock discussion with visa, and then stamping the visa will be more fun. Then probably बाकी बची हुई emotions है वो भी बाहर आ जाएंगी आपकी. Then lots of being female girl, बहुत सारी shopping करेंगी आप, और उसके बाद
Yeah. Already started.
स्मूथ ट्रांजिशन होगा आपका, रहने की व्यवस्था यहीं से हो जाएगी, and you're gonna start
Nice.
beautiful and new journey. ठीक है.
Thank
Okay,
you.
Sumna. Thank you so much for your time. It's a wonderful interaction. I'm pretty sure you're gonna inspire number of aspirants and students. We'll talk to you soon
Thank
again.
you so
Yeah.
much. Yeah,
Okay.
absolutely. Bye. Thank you.